Want to build wealth over time? Smart investors usually diversify. Here are 7 investments that can help. Number 1. Stocks. Stocks let you own part of a company. They can grow in value over time and may pay dividends. Number 2. Index funds. Index funds spread your money across many companies. They offer simple diversification and lower risk. Number 3. Real estate. Property can bring rental income and may rise in value. It can be a strong long-term asset. Number 4. Your own business. A business can create income and grow beyond a salary. It can become a major wealth builder. Number 5. Bonds. Bonds pay interest when you lend money to governments or companies. They add stability to a portfolio.
Number 6. Investing in yourself. Learning new skills can increase your income. This is one of the best long-term investments.
Number 7. Cash flowing assets. These assets generate regular income, like rentals or dividend stocks. They help your money keep working. Remember, wealth grows with consistency, patience, and time. Which investment would you choose first?